Hi everybody, I am officially on Ban Island because yeah, this is not sustainable, but I saw this item and something in me was just like, let's do it. Before we start the video, I just want to remind you guys that my YSL puffer medium size is still available for sale. If you're interested, please message me. Okay, came like this. I don't know why I'm so hot. Anyways, I have already, well, let me show you this other one. So I did purchase a bandeau. This is my first time ever purchasing a bandeau, and look how it comes. Well, it's already on the bag, but look how cute this is. So it lays on here, and it's a little booklet. I think that's really cute. Like I said, I've never purchased a bandeau from Louis Vuitton. I have purchased Twillies before, but as you guys, some of you may know, that is from Hermes. So anyhow, and then also my CA did give me a bunch of perfume samples in here. Oh, yep, that's just falling. And I have my proof of purchase right there. The box. I have already removed the ribbon because I did do a reel. You guys, if you're familiar with this box, and also if you guys have watched my, or if you've been a subscriber of mine, you would have seen this box from another unboxing that I did. However, I will talk about that. I do want to ask my CA for a new box because look, it's broken. And I just got this last night before the store closed. Comes in this dust bag. I love a good presentation, so this is super cute. Okay. And this is the dust bag. It doesn't look as special as my other dust bag, but you guys will see. Ta-da! Tell me this isn't the most beautiful coral color ever. Stunning. Stop it. And then I did get this bandeau. Just because it's such a light color, I didn't want to damage it. But I also don't like that the LVs are showing. I don't want it to be so obnoxious in that sense. So I'm gonna see if I can hide that. See, that looks so much better. Oh, so cute. And look at this hardware. Can you guys see that? It's that rainbow oil slick mermaid looking hardware. If you guys have been subscribed on this channel for a long time, I did used to own the Chanel mermaid oil slick boy bag in the old medium size. I will post it somewhere on the screen, but that was so beautiful. I love the hardware and that color. It was in the mermaid purple, and I only bought it because purple is my favorite color. I loved the hardware. It was the best hardware ever. And I'm just inspecting this real quick because I didn't end up doing that in store, which, who does that? Who buys something and doesn't inspect it? This is made in France. I'm pretty sure most, if not all, Capucines are made in France. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that. But this is so pretty. I love the hardware. It still has the sticker. Anyhow, going back to the Chanel, I did end up selling that one because I love the boy. I thought that was going to be my forever Chanel style, but it was so rigid on the sides because it's a rectangle, and I'm just not very careful with my, I should, but I don't baby my items, that's a better term. And so this is a smaller size, it's a mini size. And if you guys watched my previous unboxing of my other Capucines, the yellow one that I did end up returning, I hated the straps. It was so thick and bulky and just didn't lay very well on me. This, however, is dainty. It has that chain the leather adjustment right here. And it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustments. It's so cute. Let me just show you real quick. That lays perfectly. I'll show you better mod shots later. So cute. I really like how that lays very comfortably also. And it goes handheld. You can put it on the crook of your arm like that. Not very bad either, but so cute. Look, so pretty. I love it so much. I mean, it's just beautiful. I was not expecting this, but the color is, everything about it is just perfect. This is probably my only and last Capucines, but yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed it. Please subscribe, follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you next time. Bye.